This is Sharon with Heliades.com. We make functional UPF 50 sun protective accessories that are super fun and stylish to wear every day so you can protect your glow every day. So I wanted to show you, give you a little more details about our sun protective face masks. And this is a new original design, and first time we're doing it in prints. So first of all, let me just show you. It's got these three really stylish pleats at the bottom, which serve a functional purpose of tucking under your chin and kind of holding the mask in place. These will have a metal nose strip, adjustable ear loops with the silicone stopper. It's 2-layer, and there is a pocket so that you can add a filter or additional layers into your mask if you want extra coverage. The cool thing about our masks is that they are made of really fine quality UPF 50 fabric. So it's kind of a dual purpose. You're also protecting your skin while you're wearing a face mask and protecting others. So they're pretty easy to put on, I'm sure. Let me just show you how the best way to adjust it so you get the best fit here. So just slip it on over, tuck it over my ears, and I make sure that these three pleats get tucked underneath my chin so it holds it in place. And I adjust my nose piece here. And then depending on the shape of your face and how much sun coverage you want, you can adjust the gathers on the side here, up or down, or you can scrunch them down a little bit, or scrunch them together, I should say. And that will adjust how snug it is through the chin and then across your face here. And if you want to be a little more stylish, you can pull it down a little and create a little extra crease or pleat right here. Then the last thing you do is adjust the ear loop for comfort. I tend to like to wear mine over my ear just because it feels a little more comfortable, but you could do it however you'd like. So that's it. I hope you like it. We make these in small batches, and they tend to sell out fairly quickly. The last 2 runs we did of our classic white sun protective mask sold out. So if you're interested, we have a list, and I urge you to sign up because that's the best way to know when we have new product coming in. And that's also how we will send out a launch promo code through this list. It's bit.ly WAC mask wait list. Bit.ly WAC mask wait list. So in the next few days, you will see more information on the website, Heliades.com. Go check it out. We're getting some pictures propped up for you. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can also send me an email at hello@Heliades.com. I'm Sharon. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our sun protective face masks. They're really awesome for protecting your skin. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.